Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car, so this video is very important for you because of I'm order bunch of accessories related on my Tesla car, and as usual my favorite online store, and that store name is Accessory platform. Link is available on video description. So now unboxing. Series. That one is a foldable magnetic smartphone mount. I know the Tesla car have big screen, but still sometimes we need to fix our mobile phones also. So that perspective I personally ordered this one. Look at this, the quality of this product is really fabulous. You can fix here, two-way position is fixing here. You can fix like this or like this. How exactly look like magnetic smartphone. Now I just simply remove the sticker and fix here like this. Just remove the sticker, fix properly. This is one of the best and unique product, and you can rotate like a 360 degrees Celsius as well. You can fix like both position of your smartphone and enjoy this mountain smartphone stand. That is beauty of magnetic smartphone mount. It's very easy. If you really like this unboxing, you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. If you want buy this accessories, the Accessory platform are providing very affordable and richness of each and every accessories. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.